Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Click the subscribe button right now so you can join the family, okay? And thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be trying the almighty Asian face mask. That's what we are going to be trying today. Yes, in fact, I will be trying it today and I'll be giving my honest review on that. This trending Asian face mask is said to help you age backward. Yes, that's the reviews I've been getting. And it's trending, it's going viral, okay? Let's try it and I'll give my own honest review. I want to try it because I'm experiencing dryness on my face. So I want to see if this face mask will actually help to heal that. The face mask is said to help you age backward, helps to moisturize your face, hydrate your face, give you a smooth and a glass-like skin. Those are the things the face masks are said to do to your face, to your skin. So I am so excited, guys. I can't even wait to try it with you guys. Without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the face mask, you only need 2 ingredients for this face mask. And the first one is egg. Get raw egg. What we'll be using is the egg white. Yes, separate the egg white from the egg yolk. I'll be using only the egg white. If you're experiencing acute dryness on the face or on the skin, you can also go ahead and add some amount of egg yolk into it, okay? Egg white, I know for sure that is very good to the skin. It has some vitamins that helps to get rid of wrinkles on the skin. Yes, and also egg yolk has a lot of vitamins that helps to moisturize the skin, helps to tighten the skin, help to promote young looking skin, you know. So after adding the egg white, now I'll go ahead and beat it. You have to make sure that you beat it until it starts forming foam-like stuff. Like it starts forming foam-like texture. Yes, before you know that it's ready. Okay. So once that is done, the next ingredient here is vaseline. Go ahead and add small amount of vaseline into it. Vaseline is a very good moisturizing agent. It helps to heal a flaky skin. Vaseline is very good. It helps the skin to retain moisture. So in overall, Vaseline helps your skin to be hydrated. Yes. So after adding the Vaseline, you also go ahead and mix it very well. Please don't be lazy. Yes, don't be lazy with this mixing. Mix it very well until they combine properly. Okay, guys? Yes. So after mixing it, if you have vitamin E, you can go ahead and add some drops of it. But for me, I didn't add vitamin E oil. Okay. So that's it, guys. Once you finish mixing it, now it's ready. We'll go ahead and experiment it. So guys, we are done mixing it, and here I have it with me. My face is already washed, and here I have my brush. I will go ahead and apply it on my face. Hopefully this helps with my dryness. Hopefully it helps. Okay. Okay, all right. All right. Who is excited as I am? Who is? Let me know in the comment section because I can't wait to see the outcome of this. I love trying DIYs, honestly. I love trying DIYs because if they don't work, they don't work. It's not like some organic treatment that if they don't work, they will damage or give you another problem. DIY, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I will know that it doesn't work. That's it. So I like trying DIYs, okay? So that's why I'm so excited to try this one. Okay, I am done applying it. I will wait for 30 minutes for it to dry. Then I will go ahead and wash my face with lukewarm water, as they said. Yes. So look at it. Okay. So guys, it has dried up, and one thing I can say is that I feel tightened. My face is tight right now. Yes, I think the tightening of the face is what reduces the wrinkles. Yes, I can feel some tightening on my face. I can feel some tightening on my face, and I think that's what reduces the wrinkles. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and wash my face, then I'll be right back. Okay, guys? So guys, I am back. I'm done washing my face, and this is my face now. This is what my face looks like right now. Honestly, guys, my face feels so moisturized. It feels so hydrated. Honestly, this is my honest review. So for this, you have to wash it with not just warm water, with water, hot, not hot like not like hot, but hot water, not so hot to peel your skin, so as to wash away the vaseline. Yes, I tried using warm water and it wasn't going out, so I used water that is a bit hotter. Yes, but overall, I'm enjoying it. My face feels moisturized and hydrated, and that is the main reason why I tried it. So honestly, I would give it a thumbs up. I would give it five stars. Yes, I would give it that, because I can feel some moist locked in my skin. Oh my god, I just wish you guys can just touch my face right now. Did you see? Oh, it's feeling so soft. This works, guys. This works. If you're experiencing dry skin, if you're experiencing wrinkles, if you're having what else do they say it does? Wrinkles, dryness, you know, in fact, try this out, guys. This will help your face to look younger. As you all can see, am I not looking younger? Am I not looking younger? No, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you've not tried this treatment, just go ahead and try it. Yes, I love the way my face feels. Oh, I love the way it feels, honestly. So guys, that's my honest review. This is yes for me. Anytime I am experiencing skin dryness, this is what I would try. This is what I would try. Anytime I am experiencing skin dryness, this is what I would do. Okay? So guys, for me, it is yes, yes, yes. Yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't fail to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.